Assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back once again with a very interesting lesson. And I hope that all of you are really having a good time, and I'm also having a good time with my family members. As I am always busy, that's why I don't get enough time to practice my spoken English. And I strongly believe that you all are also busy. That's why you don't get enough time to practice your spoken English. So now what can I do? You can ask me, so brother, what can I do now? Let me explain about it. So as you are always busy, as I am also always busy, that's why I try to show you how to manage your time to practice your spoken English. Otherwise, it is not possible for you to capture your spoken English, or it is quite challenging. It will be quite challenging for you to learn English, because if you don't practice on regular basis, then you will be unable to learn English. That's why now I have got for a while. This is my break time. That's why I have got for a while, and then I am trying to make video for you guys so that you can manage your time in this way and you can practice your spoken English also. That's why I'm trying to show you how to manage your time from your working place. Suppose you are working and you will get for a while, at that time you will try to practice in this way. Or you are doing something, at that time you will practice with yourself, or you will try to practice with your colleagues. In this way you will try to develop your speaking skill. Otherwise it is not possible for you to learn English at all. Okay, so this is the way you can practice your spoken English, nothing else. So yeah, now I'm going to show you the beautiful place of my new school. As I have joined as a trainer, as an English teacher in this school and college. So as you can see, the campus of this school is very beautiful, very charming, very wonderful. As you can see, yeah, this is a palm tree, as you can see, and this is a building. This is where this is a administration building, actually, where we can take our all the classes of primary, secondary, and higher secondary. So this is the way you can practice your spoken English. So that's all for today, and I will come up with a new lesson very soon. Thank you. Take care. So Allah Hafiz.